welcome back to the vlog. We're here for match play. 12 games today. I'm in second. Anthony's in sixth. And there are a lot of bonus spins, so anything could happen. Just gotta have another good scoring day bowling.
Should be fun.
And all of our dreams will come true.
Yeah. That's where your thing.
We had a really good start. Not so good that game. Didn't quite do the right things. It was that transition game out of urethane. And I missed 2 spares. It's hard to win games when you miss spares, but we got a long day ahead of us still. 9 more games, so buckle down and get lined up quick and get back on the train. 3-3. I finally broke the streak. We lost 3 in a row. Just pulled 270, so that's a good confidence booster. Been close the whole time. It's not quite it. Well, it's not quite in the window it needs to be. That game it was, and they all fell down most of the time. So just gotta pay more attention to what my ball is doing and make good guesses. Halfway there. I'm very angry. I just need to calm down and bowl. We've got 3 more games. I'm 5-4. I think I'm leading. I don't know. I'm not really looking at the standings. I'm just bowling. I'm trying to at least, but kind of losing my head a little bit. But we'll buckle down for the final stretch. Zen Soul's pretty good. Made a ball change for the back half. Got a ball, 240. We're bowling fits for the title. I have no idea what the numbers look like. I'm sure Josh will tell us as soon as we get this position round started, but just gonna try to hit the pocket 10 times. Halfway decent off the hand, and if Fitz bowls out of his mind to win, then so be it. But we're gonna make him work for it. we got it done with the Zen Soul, kind of. It was really good the game before in position round, but this game was, it was enough. Zen Soul. If it's not proven, I mean, it's proven to me. So, if you guys want to get one when it comes out, great. We got another cool trophy. Got it done. That's back to back. Yeah, thanks for watching.